Hello everyone, we will make the preparations we need to make before starting the installation in this lesson. I created these VLAN groups on ESXi before, now let me show you them. I have one VLAN group for DMZ where we use VLAN 100. We use VLAN 44 in ISP1, we will use 883400 subnet for ISP2 and VLAN 88 and 443400 subnet in ISP1. In the DMZ, we will use the 10100 subnet. In our management VLAN group here, we will use VLAN 10 and 192.168.100 subnet. We will also use our trunk group for VLAN interfaces under the 6th port on the firewall side. We will use 172.16110 subnet in VLAN 11 and 172.16120 subnet in VLAN 12. I will use ESXi while doing this lab work, but I will also show you how you can do lab work on Workstation Pro. Now let's get to the virtual machine tab. I have set up one Active Directory and one web server here, Active Directory 172.16.0.0 subnet, our web server in 10.1.0.0 subnet, host 1 VLAN 11 and host 2 in VLAN 12. We will use these hosts for testing. Goodbye to see you in our next lesson.